Hi there viewers and welcome back to Silva Guide. Are you looking for natural ways to care for your skin? With lots of chemical-filled products in the market, it can be very hard to know which one is best for your skincare. Do you know that your lifestyle choices and daily habits can give you a glowing look? Just keep watching as we will be revealing to you natural ways to give your skin the treat of life it truly deserves. But first, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload. In today's video, Silva Guide will be sharing with you 5 natural ways to care for your skin. Do you know that the air you breathe can harm your skin? How often do you even drink water? Hold on to your seat as we will be talking about all these and more. Number 1. Wear sunscreen. If you have noticed the sun is becoming more harsh and blazing hot these days, and you don't care about the intensity, think about the ultraviolet rays that destroy your skin cells. These rays are among the major causes of skin damage and also increase the risk of skin cancer. That's why you need a sunscreen to protect your skin from these harmful rays. And it's advisable to go for the mineral-based sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium as active ingredients. This is because these minerals act as physical barriers to UV rays. Number 2. Eat healthy. Oh yeah, foods rich in antioxidants and fish oil can help you glow and look your best. According to research, these foods help your skin to make strong and healthy cell membranes. In fact, antioxidants fight free radicals that cause wrinkles and skin damage. So, why not plan your next meal with antioxidant-rich foods? Eat more vegetables, whole grains, nuts, avocado, and pomegranate and watch your skin glow. Number 3. Avoid smoking. It's a human fact that smoking is bad for your health. It can lead to heart diseases, cancer, and has also been linked as one of the leading causes of death in the world. But do you know that it affects your skin too? Smoking is actually one of the worst things to do as it triggers the formation of wrinkles, making you look pale and older than your age. It also restricts oxygen supply to the skin and increases the accumulation of damaging free radicals that cause skin infections. The good news is that you can stop smoking from damaging your skin. Talk to your doctor on how to stop smoking. Number 4. Reduce your sugar intake. Are you vulnerable to acne, wrinkles, and fine lines? Check your diet for processed sugar. Research has linked high sugar foods to skin infections like acne. Too much sugar dehydrates skin cells. This dehydration contributes to the formation of fine lines and wrinkles by decreasing your skin strength and elasticity. In addition, processed sugar also causes a surge in insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. This overdrives the oil glands, making the skin prone to skin infections. If your meal plan is rich in processed sugar, it's time to think about the impact on your skin and go for healthy alternatives. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is a must if you want your skin to glow. Drinking water keeps your skin healthy, moisturized, and you guessed it, flawless. A dehydrated skin looks dry, itchy, and scaly. Since your skin needs water, what can be more important than staying hydrated? Although it's recommended to take 8 8-ounce glasses per day, water intake varies according to individuals' activities. So listen to what your body needs and give your skin a healthy glow. Enjoy the video? Remember to like, share, and subscribe to get more interesting videos like this one.